The Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly has advocated for the establishment of a digital platform that hosts all state laws with regulated fee for downloads. The motion was moved on Tuesday by a member representing Nsit Ibom State Constituency, Honorable Eric Akpan, who emphasized that a functional democracy demands transparency and accessibility to legal documents. Honorable Akpan further explained that such platform would promote a more organized system of governance, enabling citizens to be informed of their rights and obligations, thereby reducing instances of unintentional violations.
The establishment of a publicly accessible digital legal repository structure for free online viewing and supported by a nominal download fee of 1,000 per document will not only ensure equitable access to legal information, but also generate revenue to fund ongoing utilization, system upgrade, and legal outreach. Precedent exists in other jurisdictions such as Lagos, Rivers, and the Federal Ministry of Justice, which have adopted digital publication of laws with tremendous impact on transparency, legal education, and judicial efficiency.
After deliberations and recommendations were adopted, Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Udeme Otong, instructed the clerk to convey the House's resolution to the state governor and appropriate ministries for further consideration.
Members, prayers number 1. And the Akwa Ibom of Assembly calls on the executive governor, which we are calling now, of Akwa Ibom State, to direct the Ministry of Justice in partnership with the Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly and the relevant ICT agencies to design staircase of prayers number 2, maintain and centralize staircase of 3 and 4, deploy electronic legal platform for the publication of all laws, regulations, gazettes, and other legislative instruments of the state.